Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. This is the third part of a series on pivot tables. In this video, we will look at how to streamline the source data being updated in a pivot table. An important component of pivot tables is their ability to seamlessly reorganize data from a specific source. If we want to update the data source with additional information and have that to be immediately reflected within a pivot table, we need to ensure that the source data is properly formatted as a recognizable table. To update the source data from the pivot table, we need to use the Insert tab on the sheet with our source data. Use the Table button and make sure all source data is selected, and then press OK. Now, to update the source data of an existing pivot table sheet, use the Pivot Table Analyze tab, and from the Change Data Source dropdown, select each new row and column with new or modified data. Now, the pivot table will reflect all changes from the source data when using the Refresh button under the Pivot Table Analyze tab. If we want to add a new column called Language and a continent called Unknown, we can see the changes to the source data by using the Pivot Table Analyze tab and the Refresh button. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the Excel sheet from our website to practice the functions yourself.